Sorry, sorry, sorry. All the possible options of networks are just giving up exactly when you need it the most. Anyway, I now know which network to trust the most. I don't want to say it, but I've made my choice finally. Anyway, I'm glad you are all back. I love you so much. मुझको छोड़ा नहीं आप लोगों ने. Thank you so much. Welcome back, Praneet Mhatre. Yes, welcome back indeed to you as well. Um, okay, आ जाइए सब. प्रणय शर्मा, I want to dedicate तुझ में रब दिखता है. I want to dedicate तुझ में रब दिखता है to hi to my wife. Okay, मतलब you want me to sing it for your wife, right? From you, I will surely. ना कुछ पूछा, ना कुछ मांगा, तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया. तू ही धूप, तू ही छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं. रब ने बना दी जोड़ी, हाय. ओके. हाँ, वो जब गाती हूँ तो सारे इतने सारे मैसेजेस निकल जाते हैं, तो आई एम क्विकली रीडिंग ऑल ऑफ देम. Shreya Ghoshal Shreya Ghoshal over World FC. Di, today is my birthday. Please sing that song, Gaeja of Brothers. Firstly, happy birthday to you. You're one of the fan clubs, I hope. Whoever you are the admin, I don't know your name, but wish you lots of love and blessings and बहुत अच्छे गाने सुनते रहो. Well, I'll keep hopefully continue this a little longer and गाऊंगी भी आपके requests. Just for those people who've joined back, you know why I'm doing this Facebook Live today. Of course, you know that I'm doing the US, Canada, North America tour. We call this hashtag Shreya Ghoshal North America 2019. So all the tweets and messages with that tag would really help. And so it's starting on 23rd of August from San Jose, Los Angeles, Dallas, Houston, Boston, Washington, D.C., New Jersey, Toronto, Seattle, Chicago. If you have to buy your tickets, it would be on, you know, the bit.ly links. So bit.ly hyphen or whatever is that slash Shreya and the city, whichever you want to buy the tickets from for whichever city. So Shreya San Jose, Shreya Los Angeles, Shreya Dallas, Shreya Houston. You'll find the link through those. And I don't know if you remember, I said if you are leaving the comments, उसमें आपका नाम और आपके top 3 favorite songs, whichever language, it can be Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Telugu, any song. And I will pick one song of each of these cities. You please mention your city as well in the comment. And I will dedicate to you in the audience. I'm looking forward to doing that. I've never done that. It's exciting. So please leave your top 3 songs in the comment. Don't forget. और उसमें से जरूर आपके लिए गाऊंगी. सिटी का नाम और आपका नाम उस कमेंट में भी रहने चाहिए. So please come, and It's going to be a fantastic, super duper, very warm and yet very festive evening for all of you. All the emotional songs to absolutely the most entertaining songs. It's the and of course there are some old songs lover as well. तो उनके लिए कुछ खास गाने आपको तो पता ही है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये गाने भी गाना, लता जी के, आशा जी के, रफी साहब, मुकेश जी, किशोर दा। तो कुछ वैसे भी गाऊंगी। एंड वैसे भी बहुत दिनों बाद आई एम कमिंग लाइव ऑन फेसबुक, सो आई होप दैट आई कैन टॉक टू ऑल ऑफ यू. Praveen Dhyani, my son loves Lori, Lori, Lori. वैसे it's night time probably for your son. मुझे याद नहीं पूरा गाना, मैं निकालती हूँ उसके वर्ड्स. लोरी 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 चंदनिया छुप जाना रे, क्षण भर को लुक जाना रे, नींदिया आँखों में आई, बिटिया मेरी सो जाए, लेके गोद में सुलाऊं, गाऊं रात भर सुनाऊं मैं लोरी लोरी, हाँ मैं लोरी लोरी. आई होप आपका बेटा सो गया इसको सुन के. लव टू हिम. हेलो फ्रॉम स्वीडन. स्वीडन से भी आ रहे हैं मैसेजेस, क्या बात है, आई एम लकी. Okay, a lot of Tamil requests are also coming. मैंने मुनबे वहां गाया, मैं वापस एक और कुछ तमिल गाती हूँ for sure. Lot of love from different parts of the country and different parts of the world. I'm so blessed indeed. This is the true nature, true power of music. It connects people from every part together, and so many of you are here today talking to me. I hope you are having a good time. It feels like मैं घर पे आज थोड़ा सा relax कर रही हूँ after today's Sunday, so tomorrow we pack bags and leave for a very hectic schedule ahead. So this was the last day of having some family time. Um, what happens is a lot of questions have come to me for this Facebook Live beforehand. मुझे messages आ गए कि इसका जवाब देना आप. बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि how does Sherlock deal with Sherlock is my dog, if you know, is my puppy. He is not here right now. He's in the other house. So वो बहुत बहुत ही sad हो जाता है that 1 month that I'm not going to be here. In fact, even couple of days when I am recording studio to studio and there is no time, I just come and just crash. वो उतने टाइम के लिए भी मुझे देख के इतना खुश होता है. Just looking at his face, I feel मेरी सारी थकान निकल जाती है. It's just so loving. Yeah, so Sherlock really gets very depressed when I'm not there for such long times. And so does I feel also very homesick. Although I know आपका प्यार मिलता है ना वहां पर, जहां पे भी जाती हूँ, you guys are there. I feel very loved and taken care of, and I feel at home with you all. But घर का खाना होता है ना. So I miss my mom and the food she makes. The simple dal chawal and aloo bhaja, like we have Bengali में ना एक आलू की सब्जी बनती है, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं पड़ता है, बहुत सिंपल है. It's just with some onions and aloo and some हरी मिर्च, which I love. And मसूर की दाल, मुशुरित dal. I love it. Anyway, coming back to your comments. बाप रे बहुत सारे छूट गए. From Bhubaneswar, Odisha, lot of love has come. Thank you, Balaram Tarai. Vinny Kalia, you are so down to earth. May you be blessed with all the happiness. I wish you the same. Rani Ayar, please sing a Malayalam song for me. एक मलयालम तो बनता है. I agree. मैं आपको कुछ मलयालम सुनाती हूँ. How about कातिरुन्नु? कातिरुन्नु. चलो वो सुनाते हैं. കാത്തിരുന്ന് കാത്തിരുന്ന് പുഴമെലിഞ്ഞു കടവൊഴിഞ്ഞു കാലവും കടന്നു പോയി വേനലിൽ ദളങ്ങൾ പോൽ വലകളൂർന്നു പോയി ഓർത്തിരുന്ന് ഓർത്തിരുന്ന് നിഴലു പോലെ ചിറകൊടിഞ്ഞു കാട്ടിലാടി നാളമായി നൂലു പോലെ നേർത്തു പോയി ചിരി മറന്നു പോയി. I hope it was fine. थोड़ा डिक्शन मलयालम में मुझे टेंशन होती है थोड़ी ज्यादा इस लैंग्वेज में. Lots of love from Bengal. One Bengali song, Shiv Shankar. I agree. एक बंगाली गाना तो बनता है ना? जाओ पाखी बोलो হাওয়া চলো চলো ছায়া জানলার কাছ আমি কি আমাকে হারিয়েছি বাকে রূপ কথা নাচ কানাচ আঙুলের কোলে জলে জোনাকি জলে হারিয়েছি কান শোনাকি জানলায় গল্পেরা কথা মেঘ যাও মেঘ চোখে রেখো আবেগ যাও পাখি বলো হাওয়া চলো চলো ছায়া জানলার কাছ. All right, I hope सबसे मेरी बात हो नहीं पाई है. बहुत सारे messages आए हैं. Lot of messages have come in. You know what I'm going to do when I finish this live session? I'm going to read all of them. There are just thousands and thousands of comments, which it's little probably difficult for me to read absolutely live. So isko aram se while having dinner, I'm going to be reading all your comments. And thank you once again for joining in for this live session. Please खुश रहिए, बहुत अच्छे से अपने दिन बिताइए. Be positive. Don't keep stress in your life. I believe कि छोटी-छोटी जो तकलीफें हैं, किसी के ऊपर कभी गुस्सा आ जाए या किसी ने आपका कुछ आपका बुरा कर दिया, अगर आप माफ कर दे उन्हें, forgive and move on, you feel you're so much lighter. Every day would be a beautiful day. So I believe in this mantra and I hope you also do. So a lot of positivity and good vibes to you, good energies to you. Listen to good music, stay happy, be always honest and humble. And I hope to see you all in person wherever you are. कभी ना कभी तो जरूर मिलेंगे. ये जिंदगी छोटी जरूर है, लेकिन क्या हो जाए कब, you never know. We can always probably meet at some point or the other. So please come to the concerts which are coming up in US and Canada, which I told already. 23rd August से शुरू हो रहा है. So don't forget to buy your tickets. So love to all the fans of US, Canada who joined me today. This was specially kept in a time such that you could join me. And of course, a lot of love to all my fans in India and everywhere, every part of the world. जहाँ जहाँ से लोग आए हैं, बहुत सारे गाने आपके लिए गाना बाकी है. बहुत सारे नए गाने रिकॉर्ड हुए हैं in the past 1 month. Every day I've been singing two, three songs. It has been a bit hectic. So a lot of songs are coming up for you. I'll keep you posted. Till then, take care. Good night to the people who are watching me here in India, and good morning to all the people in US, Canada. Take care. Love you. See you soon. Bye bye.